Right, what's going on, guys? It is day 2 of Project VELOSTER, and we are going to get my car muffler deleted right now with a few friends, and also my friend's car is getting muffler deleted just for fun. So I'm going to go pick up Todd right now, and we're going to drive there, see how it goes. Hopefully it sounds nice after this. I'm going to do a quick before and after. Brought this tripod with me, mini tripod, just to see how it sounds after. And yeah, I'm going to go film it real quick, see how it sounds before right now. Alright, after episode 1, we got these done, painted that. Next episode, we're going to be painting the rims. And yes sir, and then I'm going to add a front lip to it very soon. And I should probably unlock my car before I try opening it. Alright, so I was driving and then this guy magically appeared in my car. So now we are going to that place. It's in LA somewhere, so yeah, let's go.
"2,000 years later."
Alright, we just made it in. What is that? Now we wait. I think they're like trying to get some cars out of here so then I can move in there. Rip. I forgot to do it before after because I didn't get the chance to, so you're just gonna hear it after. Alright, it's done. I've done it already. Holy shit. Alright, he wanted to back it up, but we have to stay here until he does his car, and then yeah, we're gonna dip after that, probably go to pool or something. That's gonna be in a separate video. This is just Project VELOSTER. Rev it a little bit. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna take a quick lap as they finish up his car, which they haven't even started. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, we pretty much finished that up. I'm just gonna do a few different sound tests. This is from the inside, I guess. It's pretty loud. Alright guys, that pretty much concludes episode 2 of Project VELOSTER. We got the front done last time. Today we got our Muffler Delete done, which sounds pretty slick. You guys saw a few examples. I don't know if you could hear it good, but it's really loud inside the car, which is I like. And here's Todd. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.